We're going to end Unit 1 by talking about the nervous system. I realize that the nervous system chapter comes after the muscular system chapter in your textbook, but in my mind it makes more sense to discuss the nervous system first. So we're going to start off nice and easy by reviewing the divisions of the nervous system. So we only have 2 outcomes for today. Hopefully you recall for your anatomy class that there are 2 primary divisions of the nervous system. First, we have the central nervous system, which is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. And then we have the peripheral nervous system, which is essentially everything else. Now, the peripheral nervous system is used to send information to and from the central nervous system. And if you remember, the central nervous system is kind of that integration center. It takes in all of this information and then makes a decision based on all of that information. Now remember that afferent neurons send signals to the central nervous system, while efferent neurons send information from the central nervous system. Now we can also categorize the efferent side of things as being autonomic or somatic. The autonomic nervous system is under involuntary control and consists of the sympathetic nervous system, or the fight or flight system, and that's the one we're going to talk a lot about in this class. Since we're exercising, that would be an example of flight. And the parasympathetic nervous system, or the rest and digest system. The somatic nervous system, on the other hand, is under voluntary control and is used to manage the function of the skeletal muscles, right? And so this is voluntary. You decide you want to move or do a bicep curl or whatever, and you do it. You have control over that part of the nervous system. So I hope that you're able to remember the basic organization of the nervous system by being able to do the following. Can you identify the main divisions of the nervous system, and can you explain the function of each division of the nervous system?